Hello, my dear children. Priya Miss is here. I want to tell you that I am very happy to see your assignments. You all are really doing well. Children, from last 2-3 months, we are enjoying rainy season. We get water from rain. Rain is the main source of water. Water is an important part of our lives. We cannot live without water. Plants, birds, and animals also need water to live. In a previous video, you have seen uses of water and the activities that requires water. Our today's lesson name is Fun with Water. It is a story of a boy who learns to have fun in the rain while keeping himself protected too. Children, think and tell me what happens when it rains? Now I am reading a story. Listen it carefully. Fun with water. Peter Pat, Peter Pat, Peter Pat. The rain fell against the window pane. I want to go outside and play, Mom. When it is going to stop raining? Rohan complained. His mother wished that it would stop raining too. For 3 days, Rohan had not been able to go outside and play. I'm sure it will stop any time now, Rohan. Why don't you come and help me make some namak pare? She said. Rohan was tired of making namak pare. He had made namak pare every day since it started raining. He did not want to play with his toys. He did not want to watch television. He wanted to go outside and play. No, Mom, I don't want to make namak pare. He cried and ran into the living room. He threw himself on the couch and said, I just want to go outside. His mother had an idea. Rohan, go upstairs and put your plastic slippers on, your raincoat and rain hat too. Rohan sat up and smiled. Has it stopped raining? No, but there is no reason you can't go outside and play in the rain. Would you like that? She asked. Yes, Mom, I want to go outside and play, even in the rain. Rohan laughed. He ran to his bedroom and put on his plastic slippers. They were perfect for the rain. They would not get spoiled like his other shoes and would not let him slip when he splashed in the puddles. He slipped his raincoat on. It was blue too, just like his rain hat. I'm ready, Mom, he said. Wait a minute, she answered. She opened up the cupboard and picked a bright colorful umbrella. Here you go. You are all set now. Go outside and play. She hugged him and opened the front door. The rain was pouring down. Puddles were all over the grass and the street. Rohan opened the umbrella and stood in the rain. It fell all around him, bouncing off the umbrella, his rain hat and raincoat. He started to laugh and run around, splashing in the puddles. Water flew everywhere. Are you glad to see the rain? Rohan asked the flowers growing in the garden. They seemed to nod yes, answering his questions. I'm enjoying it too, she giggled. Rohan's mom stood at the window watching him. He was having so much fun. She remembered when she was a little girl. She liked to splash in puddles too. Another brilliant idea came to her. "Mom!" Rohan called as the front door opened and his mom walked out. She was dressed in her orange raincoat, wore her orange rain hat and plastic slippers. She had a blue umbrella. "Can I splash in the puddles with you?" she asked. "Yes, Mom. Come and splash. It's fun," Rohan said. Rohan and his mother stayed out in the rain for a long time. They jumped in the puddles and splashed on each other. They sailed loose down the overflowing gutters. They tried to catch raindrops in their mouths and even switched umbrellas. That night, when Rohan went to bed, he thought about how glad he was for the rain and for the wonderful day he had had outside playing with his mom. Children, this story is written by Margot Follis. Children, there are some new words. Let's know their meanings. First, couch. Couch means a furniture on which a person can sit or lie down. For example, sofa or divan. Second, spoile. Spoil means damage. Third one is puddle. Puddle means a small pool of water. Fourth one is splash. Splash means a small amount of liquid that falls onto something. पानी की बूंद किसी चीज़ या इंसान पर गिरते ही जो आवाज़ होती है. Fifth one is pouring. Pouring means flow. Sixth one is street. Street means road. Seventh one is bouncing. Bouncing means to jump up and down continuously. लगातार ऊपर नीचे उछलना या कूदना. Eighth one is giggle. Giggle means laugh. Ninth one is glad. Glad means happy. Children, in this story there is a boy whose name is Rohan. It was a rainy season, and because of 3 days continuous rainfall, Rohan was unable to go out of the home. He was unhappy because he had not been able to go outside and play. Whenever it rains, we do not go out. The same thing was happening with him. So he was complaining that when it is going to stop raining. So his mother said, "I'm sure it will stop any time now." Rohan's mother suggested him to come and help her for making namak pare. Children, namak pare is a salty food item which we mostly prepare and eat during Diwali festival. In Marathi, we say Shankar Pale. I hope you all have had it. If not, then tell your mother to make it for you. You can also help out for making namak pare. You will enjoy it. Rohan did not want to make namak pare with his mother because he had been making namak pare for the last few days. He was tired of making it because he had made it every day since it started raining. Also, he did not want to play with his toys and watch television. He was feeling boring. He just wanted to go outside, but it was raining. So his mother had an idea. She told to the Rohan that go upstairs and put your plastic slippers on, your raincoat and rain hat too. As soon as Rohan heard this, he smiled and asked, has it stopped raining? Children, what do you feel? Has it stopped raining? We can guess that it was still raining because his mother told him to take all the things which are required when we go out in the rain. An umbrella, a raincoat and plastic slippers. Plastic slippers do not get damaged in rain. Rohan's mother said, no, but there is no reason you can't go outside and play in the rain. Would you like that? Rohan said, yes mom, I want to go outside and play. Even in the rain. And he laughed. He ran to his bedroom and put on his plastic slippers. It would not let him sleep when he splashed in the puddles. He wore his blue raincoat. His mother gave him a bright colorful umbrella from the cupboard and said, you are all set now. Go outside and play. She hugged him and opened the front door. Rohan was very happy. He opened the umbrella and stood in the rain. Raindrops were bouncing off the umbrella, his rain hat and raincoat. Puddles were all over the grass and the street. Street means a road. Children, you all can imagine the happiness of Rohan. He started to laugh and run around. Splashing in the puddles, water flew everywhere. He was so happy. He was asking flowers, are you happy because of the rain too? They seemed to nod yes, answering his questions. Children, flowers were shaking due to rain, but it seems to nod yes, answering Rohan's questions. So Rohan said to the flowers, I'm enjoying it too. There was no one on the street due to rain, so Rohan spoke with the flowers with happiness. You must have seen the leaves and flowers moving because of rain. Children, when Rohan was enjoying all the things, at the same time his mother was watching him. He was having so much fun. You know, Rohan's mother remembered when she was a little girl. She liked to splash in puddles too. Again she got an idea. Can you guess what was that? You can see in this picture. She got ready to enjoy the rain. She was dressed in her orange raincoat, hat and plastic slippers. She had a blue umbrella. She asked Rohan, can I splash in the puddle with you? Rohan said, yes mom, come and splash. It's fun. अब तक रोहन अकेला ही बारिश में मजाक कर रहा था, पर अब उसकी मस्ती और खुशी दो गुना हो गई है, क्योंकि रोहन की माँ भी बारिश का मज़ा लेने के लिए उसके साथ है. You can see their happiness in this picture. If you have already enjoyed the rain with your parents, then your old memories will be fresh. Rohan and his mother enjoyed in the rain for a long time. They jumped in the puddles and splashed on each other. They sailed leaves down the overflowing gutters. They tried to catch raindrops in their mouths and even switched umbrellas. That was the great day for both of them. That day will never be forgotten by them. At night, when Rohan went to sleep, he thought about how glad he was for the rain. and for the wonderful day he had outside playing with his mom. So, children, this was the story. Playing in the rain, it's really fun. But you have to take care of your health too. If you play for a long time in the water, you may fall ill. You can keep yourself protected in rain by using a raincoat, plastic slippers and umbrella. I hope you all have enjoyed the story. You all can enjoy playing in a rain with the permission of your parents. Like Rohan, he learned to have fun in the rain while keeping himself protected too.